Students, our next topic is determination of internal resistance of a cell by potentiometer method. To find the internal resistance R of a cell of EMF E, set up the circuit as shown in this figure. Now close the key K and maintain a constant current in the potentiometer wire with the help of rheostat. Now adjust the position of jockey on the potentiometer wire where if pressed galvanometer shows no deflection. Let it is at point J1. Note the length AJ1 is equal to L1 of potentiometer wire. Now in this case the key K1 was open. Therefore no current was taken from the cell E. Therefore EMF of the cell E is equal to potential difference between points A and J1, or EMF of the cell E is equal to potential difference across the length L1 of potentiometer wire. EMF of the cell is E, potential difference across length L1 of the wire is KL1, because according to potentiometer principle, potential difference across any portion of the wire of length L is directly proportional to length of that portion, or V is equal to KL. Now here in place of L it is L1, therefore E is equal to KL1. K is the potential gradient of wire. Now take out suitable resistance R from this resistance box and close the key K1. Now again adjust the position of jockey on the potentiometer wire where if pressed galvanometer shows no deflection. Let it is at point J2. Note the length AJ2 is equal to L2. Now as current is taken from the cell, therefore terminal potential difference of the cell is balanced by potential difference across AJ2, because EMF of the cell is potential difference between two electrodes of the cell when no current is taken from the cell, and terminal potential difference of a cell is the potential difference across the electrodes of the cell when current is taken from the cell. Therefore terminal potential difference of the cell is equal to potential difference across length L2 of potentiometer wire. Terminal potential difference is denoted by V, and potential difference across length L2 of potentiometer wire is KL2. Now dividing 1 by 2, left hand side is divided by left hand side and right hand side is divided by right hand side. Therefore E upon V is equal to L1 upon L2. We know that internal resistance R of a cell of EMF E when a resistance R is connected in its circuit is given by R is equal to E minus V upon V into R, because we know that relation between EMF and terminal potential difference is V is equal to E minus IR. Therefore taking IR to left hand side and V to right hand side, IR is equal to E minus V, R is equal to E minus V upon I. As V is equal to IR, therefore I is equal to V upon R, therefore E minus V, and in place of I we put V upon R, therefore this is V upon R goes on upper side, therefore this is by this manner. Therefore R is equal to E minus V upon V into R, therefore this can be written as E upon V minus 1 into R. Now as E upon V is equal to L1 upon L2, therefore this can be written as R is equal to L1 upon L2 minus 1 into R. Therefore by knowing L1, L2 and R, internal resistance of the cell can be calculated.